The 2025 KYMCO Xciting 400 is a testament to KYMCO's ongoing commitment to innovation and quality in the maxi scooter segment. Designed for urban commuters and weekend adventurers alike, this scooter blends power, comfort, and advanced technology in a sleek package. Here's an in-depth review of what makes the Xciting 400 a standout in its class. At the heart of the Xciting 400 is a 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces an impressive 36 horsepower and 38 Newton-meters of torque. This powerful engine provides excellent acceleration and a top speed that comfortably handles highway riding. The CVT transmission ensures a smooth and seamless ride, making it ideal for both city traffic and longer journeys. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, with the scooter averaging around 60 miles per gallon. The 13-liter fuel tank allows for extended rides without frequent refueling stops, making it a practical choice for those who value convenience. The Xciting 400's design prioritizes rider comfort. The seat is generously padded and ergonomically contoured to reduce fatigue on longer rides. With a seat height of 31.5 inches, it accommodates a wide range of riders. The spacious floorboard offers ample legroom, while the adjustable windshield provides effective wind protection for enhanced comfort at higher speeds. Passenger comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The rear seat is wide and includes a sturdy grab handle, ensuring a secure and pleasant experience for two-up riding. KYMCO has equipped the Xciting 400 with a host of practical features. The underseat storage is large enough to accommodate a full-face helmet and additional items, making it perfect for daily errands or weekend trips. There's also a glove box with a USB charging port, ensuring your devices stay powered while on the go. The keyless ignition system adds a layer of convenience and security, while the built-in hazard lights and parking brake enhance safety and usability. The scooter's step-through design makes mounting and dismounting effortless, especially in busy urban settings. The Xciting 400 is packed with advanced technology to elevate the riding experience. A full-color TFT display provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. The screen is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and includes smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. Safety features include dual-channel ABS, which ensures controlled braking in various conditions, and traction control, which enhances stability on slippery surfaces. The scooter's front and rear disc brakes offer excellent stopping power, while the 15-inch front and 14-inch rear tires provide superior grip and handling. The all-LED lighting system not only adds to the scooter's modern aesthetic but also improves visibility during nighttime and adverse weather conditions. The 2025 Xciting 400 features a bold and aggressive design that exudes a sporty vibe. Sharp lines, an aerodynamic front fascia, and a striking LED headlight arrangement make it a head-turner on the road. The high-quality materials and attention to detail in its construction are evident, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Weighing in at 210 kilograms, 463 pounds, the Xciting 400 strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. Its well-engineered chassis and low center of gravity make it agile enough for city riding while maintaining a composed feel at higher speeds. The Xciting 400 delivers an engaging and enjoyable riding experience. The powerful engine provides responsive acceleration, allowing riders to confidently merge into traffic or overtake slower vehicles. The CVT transmission enhances the ride by eliminating the need for manual gear changes, making it especially appealing for new riders. The suspension system, featuring a telescopic fork-up front and twin shocks at the rear, absorbs bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively. This results in a smooth and comfortable ride, whether navigating city streets or cruising on highways. Despite its many strengths, the Xciting 400 has a few minor drawbacks. The underseat storage, while generous, may not be sufficient for riders who frequently carry larger items. Additionally, the scooter's weight could feel intimidating to beginners or those transitioning from smaller scooters. Another potential downside is its premium price point. While the features and performance justify the cost, it may be out of reach for budget-conscious buyers.